29,000 followers, and videos pulling in 1 million, 2.2 million, and even 7 million views. That is what this Instagram page is generating with one simple content format. And no, this is not just one lucky viral video. When you scroll through the page, you'll notice that almost every upload is performing well. That is a clear sign that this niche is working right now. Their content is simple but extremely satisfying. Miniature cars and motorcycles are unboxed, assembled piece by piece, and revealed as complete models at the end. After testing this format and creating several videos myself, I built a master prompt that automates the entire process for you. In this tutorial, I'll guide you through the complete workflow step by step using only free AI tools. You won't need paid software, expensive subscriptions, or professional editing experience. And by the end of the video, I'll show you exactly how to get the master prompt for free. So watch until the end, like the video, subscribe, and turn on your notifications so you don't miss the next viral niche. Let's get started. For this workflow, the first thing you're going to need is a chatbot. As you can see, I already have ChatGPT open. You can also use Google Gemini, Claude, DeepSeek, or any other capable chatbot. They should all work perfectly fine for this process. Once your chatbot is ready, you'll need access to the Google Doc I created specifically for this workflow. Inside the document is my miniature vehicle assembly video generator master prompt. This prompt handles almost everything for you. It generates vehicle ideas and creates the detailed video prompts you'll need to produce the miniature assembly videos. Once you get access to the document, select and copy the entire prompt exactly as I'm doing here. Make sure you don't leave out any important section. After copying it, return to ChatGPT, paste the complete prompt into the chat, and click Send. Once you send the master prompt, ChatGPT will process it and generate 10 different miniature vehicle ideas. The list includes different cars, motorcycles, colors, and models that you can use for this content style. As you can see, we have options such as the Ferrari 296 GTB, Ducati Panigale V4R, Mercedes AMG G63, and several other vehicles. To get access to this master prompt for free, make sure you watch the video until the end because I'll explain exactly how to get it. For our first example, I'm going to select the Mercedes AMG G63. Copy the complete vehicle name, paste it into the chat, and click Send. Once you submit your selection, the chatbot will begin creating the entire workflow for that vehicle. It will generate a detailed video prompt designed specifically for the miniature unboxing and assembly process. Give it a moment to finish generating the result. Once the response is ready, you'll see the selected vehicle, its description, the visual direction, and a section called Complete Video Generation Prompt. This is the main prompt we need. The prompt is quite detailed, so make sure you copy the entire thing carefully. Do not leave out any section because each instruction helps the video generator maintain the vehicle's appearance, color, components, assembly order, camera movement, and final reveal. Once you've copied the complete prompt, open Google Flow. Google Flow provides free credits that you can use to generate your videos. The amount shown here is what was available on my account while recording. Now, paste the complete video prompt into the generation box. Before generating the video, open the settings section and make sure video mode is selected. For this workflow, select Ingredients. Set the aspect ratio to 9:16 because we're creating vertical content for YouTube Shorts, TikTok, Instagram Reels, and Facebook Reels. You can use 16:9 when creating a long-form YouTube video, but I recommend testing this niche in the vertical format because it works extremely well for short-form content. Set the output to 1 so you don't use unnecessary credits. For the video model, select OmniFlash, and then set the duration to 10 seconds. Once all the settings are correct, click Generate. Google Flow will begin processing the prompt and creating the miniature vehicle assembly video. This normally takes only a short amount of time, so wait patiently for the result. Our first output is ready. As you can see, the video begins with realistic hands and a Mercedes model kit box containing the miniature parts needed to build the vehicle. Let's preview the video and see how it looks. That came out extremely clean. You can see the entire assembly process clearly, from opening the box and organizing the components, to installing the tires, seats, dashboard, doors, body panels, and other miniature parts. Everything happens smoothly until the completed vehicle turns on during the final reveal. Now that we know the workflow works, let's test it again with another vehicle. Return to ChatGPT and scroll back to the original list of vehicle ideas. For the second example, I'm going to select the Porsche 911 GT3 RS. Copy the vehicle name, paste it into the chat, and click Send. The chatbot will create a completely new video generation prompt based on the Porsche's design, body shape, color, wheels, interior, and mechanical components. Wait for it to finish generating the complete prompt. Once the response is ready, locate the complete video generation prompt section and copy everything carefully. Return to Google Flow, paste the prompt into the generation box, and keep the same settings. Video mode, ingredients, 9:16, one output, OmniFlash, and a duration of 10 seconds. Click Generate and wait for the result. Our Porsche output is ready. You can see the hands holding the model kit box, along with the miniature tools and vehicle components used during the assembly process. Let's preview it. This also looks extremely clean. The assembly sequence is detailed, the car remains consistent, and the final miniature Porsche looks polished and realistic. That gives us our second completed video. Since we still have enough credits for another generation, let's test the workflow one more time using a motorcycle. Return to ChatGPT and scroll back to the original vehicle ideas. This time, I'm going to select the Yamaha YZF-R1M. Copy the complete name, paste it into the chat, and click Send. The chatbot will begin writing a new video generation prompt designed specifically for the motorcycle. Once the prompt is complete, copy the entire complete video generation prompt section. Return to Google Flow, paste it into the generation box, and click Generate. The credits shown on your account may be different, but any remaining free credits can be used to continue testing other vehicles. Now we'll wait for the Yamaha video to finish processing. Our final video is ready. Let's play it and see how the motorcycle assembly turned out. The hands open the model kit box, remove the engine and frame components, install the tires, connect the mechanical parts, and attach the motorcycle's body panels. Everything moves smoothly, and the finished bike even includes detailed carbon fiber elements. That looks genuinely impressive. The same master prompt can be used to generate videos featuring sports cars, luxury cars, SUVs, racing cars, superbikes, dirt bikes, trucks, and many other vehicles. You simply select a vehicle from the list, copy the generated prompt, and paste it into Google Flow. Once your videos are ready, click the download option and save each clip individually. Repeat the process for every vehicle you generated. You can upload the videos directly as YouTube Shorts, TikTok videos, Instagram Reels, or Facebook Reels. You can also take them into CapCut and add music, captions, sound effects, or additional edits before posting. And that is the complete miniature vehicle assembly workflow. Try it with different car models, motorcycles, colors, workshop environments, and final cinematic reveals to create an entire series of satisfying miniature assembly videos. Now, let's take a look at all the final outputs we generated. I'll see you in the next video.